video, I am going to break down 5 passive income ideas. I will also dive into how much it costs to start them, how rewarding they are once you have them established, as well as how hard it is to start them. Number 1, and probably the most obvious one, is the one that you're watching me on now, and that is YouTube. YouTube is an amazing platform to earn passive income. I did a video 2 years ago, and still up to this day, I still earn income from that video. And all the income that I've earned from that video ever since I've uploaded is passive income. I no longer have to put in work in that video unless maybe I respond to a comment once in a while, but all the income I earn from that video is passive. I basically don't need to do anything. I make money from that video as I sleep. Many content creators make a really good income from YouTube. Some actually do it full-time. Some have become millionaires just from the income that they get from the YouTube platform via Google AdSense. Setting up a YouTube account is 100% free. I have done a very easy detailed video on how you can set up your YouTube account. I'll leave a link below if you're interested. Disadvantage of YouTube is that it can be a very slow climb. You need 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch time hours unless you're in certain regions of the world like the UK, US and Canada. That is where you only need 3,000 watch time hours and 500 subscribers. Getting those numbers, getting those figures can take time, and building up to that, it can feel very demotivating once you're waiting to get those hours, but once you do get them, it is worth it. Number 2, and that is probably my favorite income stream, is affiliate marketing, but specifically with Epidemic Sound. The music that is playing on my channel now in the background is music from Epidemic Sound. The music that I'm using is copyright free, and you can use it on your channel as well if you sign up with Epidemic Sound. I'll leave an affiliate link in my links, and you can check that out as well and get a free trial. But the thing with Epidemic Sound is that if you use music on your channel and somebody is like, oh, I actually really like that and I would like to use it on my channel. That is how I got introduced to Epidemic Sound, by watching videos from other creators and being like, I really like that, I wonder where it's from. Once you have people that sign up with your link, if you have more than 12 members that sign up with your link and go on to get paid membership, Epidemic Sound will pay you 50% of that revenue. So this is an amazing way to actually earn passive income. This program is called the Ambassador Program for Epidemic Sound. But if you don't get those 12 members immediately, even if you get one person to sign up, Epidemic Sound will also give you 50% off your membership. So it's a win-win for both. The amount that you can make from Epidemic Sound is endless. It's just how much work you want to put in, how many people click on your video, and if you get a viral video and many people click on your link, you can definitely earn loads of income from Epidemic Sound. The only disadvantage with Epidemic Sound is that obviously you need 12 members to sign up, but 12 members isn't really that much. Number 3 is probably the most common and well-known way to earn passive income, and that is Amazon affiliate marketing. Amazon affiliate marketing is very easy to sign up for. However, you do need to make at least 3 sales within 180 days of signing up. Otherwise, your account will be deactivated. But even if it does get deactivated, you can still reapply. Amazon affiliate marketing works very well, especially if you already have a social media presence, especially if you do YouTube Shorts videos, as those have a better chance of going viral. You can earn anything between 1% or 20% from the products that you sell. It is better to plug products that you've already used and you actually really liked, instead of selling everything and anything. Costs Like I said, it is free to sign up for Amazon affiliate marketing. However, you may need to purchase some of the products that you want to talk about on your channel. And obviously this has a cost, but this depends on product to product. I usually like to talk about products that are not too expensive. That way the viewer can actually consider buying. It's hard to convince someone to buy, for example, a 2,000 euro camera. However, it is much easier to convince someone to, buy a product like a tongue scraper that I bought recently, which I really like for my tongue. And that cost me like 5 euro. The disadvantage to this is that the income or the commission that you earn from the sales is very small and can take some time to build up. Number 4 is one of my favorite income streams, and that is selling digital products. You can host these on Etsy, for example. You don't have to reinvent things or, invent something new when you're selling digital products. Look into yourself and ask yourself, what skills do you have? And then you can use those skills to do a digital product. For example, if you are really good with Excel, you can do a budget planner, for example. I have a budget planner on Etsy that I sell on Etsy. That is something that you can do. If you are creative and you have a little bit of creative flair, what you can do if you're interested, for example, in weddings, is you can do wedding invitations. There is actually a market for that. So there's a variety of digital products that you can create and put up on Etsy. And once you've done the work and you've put it up on Etsy and it automatically delivers when a viewer buys, you don't have to do anything else, and you can get an order whilst you're sleeping. By the time you wake up, the client has paid for the order and has actually got the order as well. So all the income that you received after that is basically passive income. There's tons of apps and websites out there to help you create digital products. I like to use Canva, for example, to create things. You can use Canva if you're interested, let's say, in doing wedding checklists. There's tons of checklists that you can use and edit and customize and then sell on Etsy. The cost to sign up for Etsy is free. You will pay 6.5% of the value of your listing. So let us say you're selling a digital product, let's say a budget planner like myself, you're selling it for 5 euro. You will pay, what is 5% of 5 euro? I can't, oh my God, this is embarrassing. It's 25 cents, am I right? That is what you will pay to Etsy. So that is 5%. So what you would need to do is calculate 6.5% of the value of your listing. That is what you will actually pay to Etsy. But the rest of the income is yours. And as time goes on, the income that you will generate is, of course, passive income. However, once you do post something on Etsy, it can be difficult to build traffic. What a lot of people do to get things going, especially if you don't have a social media platform, which you don't need for Etsy, is you can buy Etsy ads, and this will build up traffic for your products and increase the chance of you actually making sales. Number 5 is probably my favorite. And this one has the potential of making you a millionaire. Although this last one is my favorite, but despite it being my favorite, it takes some time to set up, and there is a bit of controversy around it as to the value that it actually is and whether it is valuable and worth investing in for your passive income. This is starting an online course. You can start an online course teaching people anything. For example, if you are successful on YouTube, you can teach people how to set up a YouTube channel and build it up and get it successful. If you have built a successful blogging business, you can do an online course just for that, teaching people on how to do it. A lot of people want to bridge the learning gap. They want somebody who's walked the walk, who's made all the mistakes on their behalf, and they just want to learn it as quickly as possible. Not everyone has the time and the luxury to set up a new YouTube channel and fail so many times. Some people just want to get it right the first time. It is always best to start an online course on something that you're well versed in, something that you really know very well, and usually something that you've actually done yourself and you succeeded in it as well. The disadvantage to an online course is that it takes time to set up, it takes a lot of research to do, and it takes a lot of time to be creative, write the course or film the course if you're going to be doing video content. So all of that can take a lot of time to prepare. You need to cross all your T's and dot all your I's with online courses. So it's something that you don't want to rush. The cost for an online course, outside of the research and the creating of the content itself, is that you need to host your course on a secure website. Kajabi, for example, is a good secure site where you can host your online course. However, Kajabi comes at a cost of $119 per month, so this can be a little bit steep if you're starting out and doing your first online course. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I will answer as best as I can. See you in the next video. Bye bye.